Hello, third graders. Today we are going to work on multiplying by nines. We have been working on different strategies to multiply all of these single digit numbers by single digit numbers, and today we are working on the nines. So, once again, we've been talking about why is it important to learn how to multiply single digit numbers. And one of those reasons is that it's really important to be able to solve real life math problems that come up a lot. So, like if you're at the grocery store and you see that there's 16 candies in 3 boxes for $1, is that better to buy than 12 candies in 4 boxes for $1? So you'd multiply 16 times 3 and see how many total candies you had, and then multiply 12 times 4 and see how many total candies you had and see which is a better deal for $1. So I do that a lot when I go shopping, and I'm sure your family does too, because there's lots of different brands of things that you can buy. Multiplying is one of the basic building blocks of math, and to be able to do it efficiently makes it more complex math easier. So once again, when you are going to start to do more extended multiplication, like 3-digit times 3-digit, it's really important to be able to know how to do those multiplication facts, have those multiplication facts in your head. So our math focus today is I can use strategies to multiply a one-digit number, such as mental strategies and a standard algorithm. So today we're working on nines. And nines are really funny because there's actually lots and lots of tricks for them. But I will tell you as we start, really the one that I think is one of the most important is really most of the time if you are able to multiply. So say if you wanted to multiply, let me bring this back up here because I think it's great to show you. If you wanted to multiply, if you wanted to figure out how much 9 times, if you wanted to figure out how much 9 times 7 is, a really good way to figure out is if you want to look at, say, you want to look at 10 times 7. So 10 times 7, and I know 10 times 7 right away because I know my tens really well. 10 times 7 equals 70. So one of the easiest ways to find 9 times 7 is what we call using a known fact, which is what I'm doing here, multiplying 10 times 7, which is 1 up. Then I'd say, well, I know that 70 minus, let's see, I know that 70 minus 7 gives me 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63. So 70 minus one group of 7 equals 63. So that 9 times 7 equals 63. So that's really the best strategy that I can give you is with the nines, is that using that multiplying by tens and then subtracting one group is always the easiest one for me, and that's the one I teach kids the most. However, there's a couple of other different strategies, and you can look at some of these by yourselves because they're fun. This is in our math facts, and this is in some of the homework that you're going to be doing today. They have a nines trick right here, which is multiply any single digit number by 9 using this trick. Here's how. So say you wanted to multiply 9 times 7. So step 1 is hold up all your fingers. And you always have to have your thumbs touching, and you imagine that they're numbered 1 through 10 as you see in the picture. And since you're multiplying 9 times 7, you fold down the 7th finger. So you can see that the person has the pointer finger down on the second hand. Then step 3 is count the number of fingers to the left of the folded finger, which is 6, and count the number of fingers to the right to the folded number, which is 3. And so your answer is 63. So you can see that 9 times 7 is 63, which is kind of a really fun strategy. There's also another strategy here on this times 9 poster, which has a different one. I'll let you read that on your own, and I'm actually going to put it in the homework, but it says, if you wanted to find 4 times 9 equals 36, so first you write the number that is 1 less than the 4, that's 3, and then ask, what can I add to 3 to make 9? It's 6, so the answer is 36. So this one says here, it says it works really only up to 9 times 10. For 11 and 12, you need to use that known fact. So multiply by 10 or subtract. So there's lots of different ways, fun ways, to find the times nines. And it's really important that you spend some time thinking about what works the best for you or trying a couple of different strategies today. Remember, one of the really good things to do is to Make sure that you're reading all these facts out loud, that you're writing them, practicing them, and that maybe you're practicing them using some flashcards as well. But we're going to chant them really quick, and I hope you chant them with me on the way out. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 9 is 90. 11 times 9 is 99. 12 times 9 is 108. So have a great day, third graders, and have fun practicing all these different strategies to find the answers to your times 9 facts.